Everyone, so I decided to use some of the gold, and I think I'm going to do burgundy. So I just put it was in my Anastasia brow palette. There's gold. I used that as a brow color when my hair was blonde, so I just put that on my lid as a base color. And I'm going to start with that pretty frosty gold right there. Wow, a lot of fallout. And I'm going to go with this burgundy color right here. This is real nice for the fall. I'm going to go with this color to give it a tiny bit more definition. And again, gonna go in with that very pale yellow color. All right, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I did the bottom colors, which is the pink and the plum. I really have to tone down the plum because it's so dark for me. Then of course I put the gold in the inner corners, and I'm going to use the lip gloss that came with it. Little Miss Punk. And I lined, I used this really deep plum color down here to line the bottom of my eyes. And so that concludes the looks that I'm going to do. Like I said, I look at this and I can do so many looks. But it's time to get started with the ice cream and coffee collection. I want to do 3 looks with each because they each came with 3 glosses. Just quickly let you know that my hair, I decided to try the liquid bleach as opposed to the powder bleach because it's supposed to be softer on the hair, because I'm tired of my hair falling out, and I'm just going to mix it with my 20 and just whatever happens happens. Maybe I'll have to tone it, and then after I tone it I want to do pastel colors in my hair. So let's see if that happens. I heard when I went to Sally's, they said they had 2. I think it was Ion and I think L'Oreal, but like everywhere else, they wanted to charge $25 for this like tube of liquid bleach. I'm like, So, because I think for $25 I could get a big bucket of the powder. So this one was $11. I had a $5 coupon, so I only paid like $6 or $7 for a tube. So just want to let you know that probably next week I will do my I'm going to try this liquid bleach, mix it with my 20 developer, and see what happens with that, because I want to take all of this color out. I want to do my roots. It seems like the darkest part of the color stayed on my roots, so just want to get it out as best I can. But yeah, I'm just tired of my hair falling out, so that's why I'm not keen on bleaching it anymore. But let's see what happens.